Hello guys, welcome to software design. We want to teach you a 3D mockup design, how you can achieve your logo in 3D mockup design. So this is a logo we want you to achieve, and in this logo you design your logo to achieve this like this in this specific color. So right now what we do is we'll first go to, let's switch to, from here we'll export your logo in PNG. Just select your logo like this. Let's change this color. I want to use a brighter color. Let's say yellow. Let's use yellow in this, another color, yellow. Then remove the outline, yes, like this. And then this, let's give this white. Let's take it off the artboard like this. So select it, drag. This is our logo now. Let's export in PNG. So make sure you select PNG format like this. Look at PNG here, click on it. We'll save it at desktop, and then we'll click OK from here. Click OK, and then once it exports, go look at it at this juncture from here, and then you go back to, this is Photoshop. This Photoshop now, go straight to, you see where they write, you place, this is your logo here. You double click here, and then it carries you straight to where the logo is. Then what you do here is you turn this button off. You turn this eye off from this section here. Turn it off, and then go to your desktop. Then copy it, and then just hold it and drag to the area where you turn it off. From here, you press alternate on your keyboard and then scale it up like this. It's looking blurry, but don't be disturbed. And then click on this here to activate it. It's now okay. It's okay. Then click on Control Save. That's Control S. Once you save, then go back to the logo. You can see how it has changed. This is the entire logo, as you can see from here. So you can do this for any of your logo that you have designed. And then if you want this mockup, the link is in the description below, so you can check and download. Thank you, and then subscribe for more.